Hey people, so there is this show called The Kindness Diaries, which is all about uh, this one person, this one man's journey from Alaska to Argentina, relying solely on the kindness of people. Like he's on like a road trip, literally. So it's my god, yeah. I mean, these are just very short. Each episode must be 20-22 minutes long, but at the end of that episode, the host, the gentleman, chooses this some one particular person, one good Samaritan who's helped him, and the show, the producers sponsor something special for that person. Like as in, one couple, they got sent to Jerusalem, another young lady got you know they got sent to Costa Rica because she wanted to provide clean water for the people there, and since she herself couldn't, she grew up without these amenities. My god, of all the shows I have ever seen on Netflix, this is one show that, yeah, it'll make you so emotional. It's at another level. So really, people, try and catch it. It's called The Kindness Diaries, and you can find it on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.